I got to start off here with the nucleus, which is the control center of the cell. The nucleus is very much like a policeman controlling a street intersection. Those of you that have been in a traffic jam, and I'm sure that those of you that are in metropolitan areas out in the state of Texas or all over the world for that matter, sometimes you run into a situation where the street gets jammed, and here is the policeman in the middle of the street saying, "Stop! Hello!" We're going to go into the cell membrane, which is the gatekeeper of the cell. It controls the movement of materials in and out of the cell. And of course, this is very important that, okay, again, it sounds like a gate closing. And the cell membrane is very important because it controls the functions of such things that we call the sodium-potassium pump. You know the way a pump functions when you putting air into a tire, or especially a bicycle tire? Well, it's the same way here. If you got an accumulation of sodium, hello, doc, what are we going to get when we have high levels of sodium? Then we're going to have the Golgi apparatus. And the Golgi apparatus, it makes and packages materials to move out of the cell. Proteins are the materials that the Golgi apparatus packages and moves out of the cell. It's kind like a holding ground, like a little warehouse where all the proteins come together and they get held up. Hello, let's see. There we are. It's sounding like you're holding things and putting boxes on top of each other like a factory. That's what it is. It's the Golgi apparatus.
I'm going to tell you a little story. It's about a structure called a cell. It's so important to your existence. Computer genius, no match for it.
The cell wall. And the cell wall is the outermost structure of the plant cell. The cell wall is rigid, and it protects the plant cell from breaking apart. And that cell wall has to be like, got a lot of... What does that sound like? It sounds like you got a bunch of power, a bunch of low end, because we are the protector, and we got to keep things from moving out of the plant cell, or otherwise that leaf on that plant is going to wilt and fall off.